Hi everyone, we're here at the Ndou Safari Lodge of the Chibula CPA. We're hosting a community learning exchange of communities within the Greater Kruger Biodiversity Economy Node under the GF7 project. So we've invited the communities within this node. We have your traditional authorities, we have your NGOs, we have national and provincial governments. The very main aim of this learning exchange is to create a space where communities can learn with one another, share best practices, and just to raise awareness on the concept of biodiversity economy, and just to showcase that biodiversity stewardship can support biodiversity economy activities. But I think what is most important is to create a community of practice where communities can actually learn with one another and share the experiences on the different projects that they do on the ground. So what we have done, we have communities that are going to share what's the experience of the learning exchange, how they found the learning exchange, what is it that they take out of this learning exchange, and just the key highlights of what they've learned today. Thank you.
I am Nelson Makuya from Hamakuya, part of Makuya Nature Reserve. I've learned a lot since I came here. And one important thing that I've learned is that when you are dealing with a project, you must know exactly what you want and how you will get there. It's important to do some research. It's important to know that you are dealing with people, and when you are dealing with people, please understand their concerns. They must also see what they will get from what you are doing. If they realize that they are benefiting, they will give you the necessary support. I have learned a lot that you should have patience. I've learned a lot that you should encourage people to work, to be self-sufficient, so that they can also help others. And I think I'm taking home a lot of information that I gathered from colleagues around here. I've seen a lot around here, and we are going to copy some of the things we have seen here and see whether we can develop along the same lines. It's not an easy thing, but it needs a lot of patience and it needs a lot of hard work.
Tjabela, ga bolela mo ke Rebecca Malaji, o tswa Phalaborwa, ke emetse Banakome CPA, mo e le gore o re tlile mo Ndou Safari Game Lodge, re na le workshop. Mo workshop ye ke ithutile dilo tse dingata tse e le gore e be ke fela ke fapantšha gore na le ya rena CPA di fapane jang. So ke khumane gore ka mo Ndou Safari, and then ba te managela lefa la bona leo e le gore ke polasi e nao ya bona ya setšhaba. So jale different ya ona le ya rena gore rena ka e le gore o na le tenant ka kwa, so di a differ ka gore rena a re manage dilo tša rena ka rena beng. So o na le o a manager e le gore o ke lebeletše o ra gore yena ke yena a benefitao kudu o feta community ka lebaka la gore tše dintšhi di dira ya ka kua tše e le gore a re di tsebe rena re fiwa rent ye e le gore o ke lebeletše ke e nyane for community ya rena ya Maseke ya Banakome.
Se sengwe abe ka mo Banakome CPA, I think go community ya borena re leka o rutiwa gore how re ka manage bane polasi ena ya rena, re ka starta bane business e le gore e doda ya sustain ya attract le di custom from outside. Re thoka di skills ja o kona o starta business or o tseba gore re sange re guy re there re khumane thuso ya gore khona o starta business ena ya borena ka polasi ya borena gore di benefits ka moka di khona o feta setšhabeng ha botse ka ntle le o emela gore motho a patele rent, then from that rent o tsange operate, from that operation setšhaba le sona ka mosere tšhelete ile kae ka mo operator a ba di lebelele jo ena ba di dusise ene o ka se ba blame. So re thoka di-skill le motho a ka re trainer o tseba gore o i-maintaina bjane polase o di khumana ka diphoofolo o tšea e feo tsela ya go khumana diphoofolo o ba ya go starta business motho a ka dira wa business plan mo le gore o lefelo ona a ona mafelo or from o khumana le experience jeo re ka partnera le bona makhuale then ra ba le gore ne le batho ba bona ba nao skills ba go bereka o le makhuale ba kgona go gaina le experience then ra kgona go geranela bolekela ka rena benye gore re kgone setšhaba se kgone go benefita directly from CPA unlike o emela motho a da batele rente le gore o kenyane.
One has learned a lot around this. And the one thing, this type of programs or this type of gatherings should be something that can be taken into another level because it manages to bring all different people with all different experiences and also bring all different private, public leaders, if I may put it that way, in terms of making sure that we achieve what would like to be the ultimate goal in looking after our environment, but at the same time with an idea of creating some sort of business around it. So the combination of two, of which basically it addresses the issue that we're facing with as a country.